Here is how I use TikTok and Pinterest for my business. Last year, I discovered Pinterest. Not that I don't know about Pinterest before, but last year I actually explored the app to its fullest. So, Pinterest can also be a marketing platform, but I've not dived into that yet. I use Pinterest mostly to generate ideas for my fashion brand and for my top content creation business. Also, I use Pinterest to get clear pictures, videos, and video content for my fashion business. Now, Pinterest can do so much more if you know how to use it very, very well. All you need to do is search for Pinterest on your Chrome or download the app and then start using it to generate ideas for your business. For example, so you want to know how to market your skincare brand more. You can go to Pinterest and type how to use how to market my skincare brand more. It's going to give you ideas. Now, it's going to give you ideas on maybe educational content, how to get rid of hyperpigmentation, how to get rid of hypermelanosis, how to get a clear skin in 21 days. So it will direct you to blog posts as well that you can generate ideas. Now, you are not going to copy these guys because they spend time to write those blogs, but you can generate ideas for your own blog or for your own social media, right? So that's how to use Pinterest for your business. Now, when you do this and you compile everything together and post, your audience is going to see you. Your audience are going to see you as an expert in that your business. That is how to use Pinterest for your business. Okay. 2. TikTok. TikTok has over 2 billion users worldwide, and the owner of TikTok is the richest in China right now because of how much revenue he is generating from TikTok yearly. Now, how can you use TikTok for your business? TikTok is majorly a video platform. Now, how do you use TikTok for your own business and generate revenue from there? There's this feature on TikTok, the live feature. You can showcase your product, your expertise, your services, your programs, your what have you on that live feature and get people to notice you and pay for your product, right? There's also another feature which is the TikTok ads. It has been in existence for other countries, but Nigeria here they just brought it last December or last November. So, how do you use TikTok ads for your business? Simply click promote and promote whatever post is doing well. Now, if you don't know how to promote your product on TikTok, comment TikTok and I'm going to make a video on TikTok ads separately. My name is ITF. I'm a content creator, an entrepreneur, a marketing director, a fashion business owner. And if you want to learn videos similar to how to make money and invest your money, this is the channel you should be following. Click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. You can also check out videos from my past and see which one will be useful for your business. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.